Day 52. First zero since right after the Smokies in Hartford. Because every day, I know we've been staying at hostels a lot, but every day we've been hiking. So this is a much needed. We're going to shuttle in a little while into Erwin, and McDonald's breakfast is calling my name. I don't know if you could see it, but last night it snowed up in the mountains that we had to go back into. You can barely see it. That little ridge on the top. Well, just got back from Resupply. Got lots of calories and more calories. A little bit of protein. So we're here on our 0 day. Me and Dog Tag. Well, everybody's here, but right now me and Dog Tag are standing here watching. We're getting ready to watch another person cross the AT Hiker Ferry, done by what is that? Wahoo's Adventures. Anyway, that'll be us tomorrow morning. Uh-oh. Oh, zeroing is tough. We've been having an interesting day. We did resupply, and then we sang Dog Tag's daughter, Vanessa, a happy birthday. Savannah. Sorry, I apologize. I thought I had it right too. I took a second. I haven't met Savannah, but happy birthday, Savannah. And then plans have been made. And then plans have been canceled. And then plans were made again. And now Dog Tag's trying to cancel plans. And then we're going to make new plans. And then we'll have a plan to cancel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Go.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. My name is Dr. Quin. I'm from Windham, New Hampshire. That's southern New Hampshire. The reason why I'm on the trail, well, the time was, for the first time in my life, I have now been able to, kind of do something for myself. I've spent my whole life working and co-raising 4 daughters. And this is an opportunity for me to, to accomplish something. It's a goal that I kind of realized that was really important to me when I moved to New Hampshire and started to hike. So, and I also do love nature, and I just love the freedom that you have out here on the trail.
Awesome. And who's this handsome gentleman next to you?
Well, this guy's been following me around for 36 years. This is Optimist, also known as Food Truck.
Oh, no.
Just Optimist.
He really doesn't like that.
I'm optimistic about food. Yeah, so I'm from Windham, New Hampshire as well. Originally from Canada. Lived in Texas for a long time. And I mainly started hiking the Appalachian Trail when we moved to New Hampshire about 7 years ago. And just fell in love with it, loved being outside. And I just retired at the end of January, and this is our retirement trip.
Oh, congratulations.
Mm-hmm.
Hi there, my name is Princess Peach, and I'm from Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I am out here for fun and redemption from my disaster of a 2022 Sobo Thru-Hike.
Okay.
And that's all I got.
All right, I'm M&M, I guess Motor Mama? Is that what it is?
Main mama, motor
Main
mama, it all works.
Motor Mama. And I'm, basically, my life is in a storage unit right now in Maine. And I'm kind of living on the trail right now. It's for my 65th birthday. And also to just get back to the South end. That's it.
Outstanding.
Hi, I'm Gator. I'm originally from New Jersey, but I live in Miami, Florida now. I've been section hiking since I was 13 years old, and I found the opportunity to do the whole thing, so hoping to get there.
Hey, I'm Wanderer. I'm on the ECT. I'm from Rock Spring, Georgia, and I am out here to hike and accomplish another goal and just live and have a good time.
Awesome, thank you.
Here at the campfire. We found out that we have a YouTube hero or celebrity on our hand. The young lady behind us, her name is Charity. She's on the trail. And come to find out her husband, who is supporting her on the trail, has been following Big Sexy's YouTube page. And she surprised him, her husband, by having Big Sexy calling her. So it was really cool. So things that happen on the AT are just so cool. Okay, dog bag back. Our celebrity now is Big Sexy is going to sign Charity's backpack because her husband is in love with Big Sexy. And so
It's not meant to be.
oh, so we're trying to get his signature on a backpack. So the wonders of the AT.
We need to paint those. Yeah, I think so. Take the hike. Yeah, it's all gonna come up dark.
Hey, wait. Put it right there on the H. On the H up front.
I don't know, you want me to?
But just put a BS up there. No.
Really small. One of the triangles could be big, and the other triangle could be sexy. Yeah, but you have to.
I don't know if I can. I might need help.
Help? Yeah, help you. It's your signature.
That sounds too personal.
Yeah.
That sounds too personal.
Especially if you tell him that he signed it while you were wearing it.
That's like rock star level.
There you go. Wait a minute. We got to see this. There it is.
There it is. Big sexy.